In this video, I'll show you how to change the featured image and preview for a Twitter X social post in Hubspot. This is useful when you want to control how your link looks before publishing it. First, log into your Hubspot account. From the top menu, go to Marketing and then click on Social. Keep in mind the Social tool is part of HubSpot's Marketing Hub, so you'll need the Marketing Hub Professional plan or a free trial to access this feature. Next, go to X, Twitter, and find the post or page link you want to share. Copy the link of that post or page. Now head back to HubSpot and paste the link into the Social Post Composer. Wait for the link preview to load. Once the preview appears, you can change the featured image by uploading a new image. You can also edit the post text before publishing. After that, choose whether to publish the post immediately or schedule it for later. And that's it. You've successfully changed the featured image and preview for your Twitter post in HubSpot. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick HubSpot guides.